Okay, I guess this could be considered part 3 of fan installation, what not to do. We're showing a wire joint that was made up in the ceiling and tucked in and in preparation for actually a surface mount or surface access junction box so that we can put the fan in. You see the vent there. But 85% of all fires in Chemung County, New York, where we live, are electrically related. We had one about a year ago where a family of 4 children all died in a fire because of electrical misinstallation. So what not to do? Do not ever bury a wire joint in a ceiling where it's inaccessible. That's all for today. Thank you.